Hello everyone, this is Aparna Bhat and welcome to our YouTube channel Abhijna Legal Maps. So this is a video regarding the rescheduling of the All India Bar Examination 19 exam. So we can see that already All India Bar Examination 19 exam date was scheduled on November 24th, 2024, but and also the last date for applying for the exam was today, that is October 25th. But as we can see from Bar Council of India notification, so let us visit Bar Council of India website, and here we can see this is the website of All India Bar Examination, and if you see the home page here in the notification page, you can see notification with regard to revised schedule of All India Bar Examination 19. So if we download the PDF, we can see today's date. Here they have notified saying that, so it is hereby notified that All India Bar Exam 19 has been rescheduled to 22nd December 2024. So it means that approximately we have about 1 extra month for studying for All India Bar Examination 19, and applying for examination date has also been extended. So see here, online registration for All India Bar Examination 19 closes on November 15, 2024. So from October 25th to November 15th, the date has been extended for applying for examinations. So and also you might be knowing that even final year students, final SEM students, they were eligible to write the All India Bar Examination by giving an undertaking. So even there was a recent notification regarding that by the Bar Council of India. So that is the reason why we can see that as more and more students are being accommodated, even they need more time for studying, and for the same reason the exam dates could have been extended, which is actually beneficiary for most of the aspirants, because they get extra 1 month time. So if you haven't decided to write the exam till now, so do make up your mind, because this is a very good chance, because even new criminal laws have been introduced, and you may think it is difficult, but maybe as many number of students are writing the examinations, maybe the exam pattern could be liberalized, just because this is the first time for the introduction of the new criminal laws. So who knows? So why are you missing this opportunity? So if you haven't applied, although you are eligible for writing All India Bar Examination 19, but you haven't applied for the same, then do make up your mind, and you have time till November 15th. So do not take time to think till November 15th, but do apply as soon as possible, so that you will make up your mind and start studying. So you have almost 2 months, more than 50 days. So that is more than sufficient, because already you have studied in your examination, like in your semesters you might have studied, okay, only you have to, and moreover this is also an open book examination system, so which is very good, provided you know the topic, you know the concepts, and some case laws you need to know. Provided you know that, this is very beneficial for you in your career, in your examination also, you might clear with a good number, right. So do apply for this examination if you haven't applied, and if you are eligible and the examination date has been extended. So that is the good news for you. And you might be knowing general category or OBC candidates, for them the passing percentage is 45 marks, 45%, and for SC ST it is 40%, SC ST and disabled candidates. Okay. Yes, this was all about the new notification which you can see, and also you can find the registration link here itself. See here, if you scroll down, you can see notification with regard to schedule of All India Bar Exam 19, registration link 19. So click on this, you will be taken to the new web application, where if you have registered, that is fine. If you haven't registered, first you have to register with your mobile number, name as per Aadhaar, and email also. So try that, and then you can apply by paying the relevant requisite fees. Okay, syllabus also you might be knowing, I have already made several videos regarding this. So this time we have old criminal laws and new criminal laws, and the weightages also have been given, right. So see here, that is a very good case where we can understand constitution, 3 criminal laws, and CPC. These are the major subjects which we need to study, which will cover almost up to 45 to 50 marks, and the rest, and the remaining acts, remaining like 30-40 acts are minor acts, like 2 marks weightage has been given in a combined manner. So, first you can concentrate on all these important acts, major acts, 5 major acts, that is 3 criminal laws, the constitution and the CPC. If you concentrate more on these 5 acts, then like half of your work is done. Okay. So, this is a suggestion which I wanted to give it to you, and also we have an app, that is Abhijna Law Series app, especially for presently we are catering to the needs of Karnataka students, that is lectures will be in Kannada, but very soon we will be implementing courses in English also. Okay. But the other students, like students all over India, maybe from south or north or west, east, they can attempt the test. Free tests are there. So, free tests you can find, see you can find different tests here. Some are free, all the bar exam 19 daily, they are given on a daily or alternate day basis. So, you can attempt them completely free, and they are with solutions, you will get a good practice. And also we have some certain books, okay, you can find. So, books are in English, you can go through them. New criminal laws, they have been given in chart. So, those are also beneficial for you, and they are also available in Amazon also. Okay. In Amazon also you can find our books. If you type Aparna Bhat CPC, Aparna Bhat new like Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Samhita, you will find the list of books in the Amazon store, or we are also sharing the store link with you, and we also have Abhijna legal maps. If you are interested with knowing the different updates of our new YouTube channel which is in English, then definitely you can join this YouTube channel. I won't say YouTube channel, WhatsApp channel. Okay. So that you will get regular updates about our course. So, here notes and books, here you can find our different books, that is also beneficial for you. So, CPC and different contract act, constitution, and quick charts, you can find them, quick charts, it has been given in chart format. So, you can find them. So, this was all about our today's class. So, the ultimate objective is striving towards excellence. Okay. So, you need to struggle more and more, but it should be done in a smart manner. So, that is the thing which I wanted to convey to you. So, thank you all of you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then definitely like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.